Hello, I'm in a 2013 Nissan Pathfinder, and today I'm going to show you to raise and lower your seats. So for the second row here, you can use this lever. When you pull it, they'll fold forward. And when you want to fold it back, you'll just pull this lever again, and then with your second hand, lift it back up till it locks into the place you'd like it to stay. And then for these third row seats, you can basically lift this lever. So you lift this lever and then you can pull the seat forward, and you can also fold these in by pulling this, so it'll fold down lower if needed. And it works the same for both of these seats. And when you want this lifted back up, you could access it by opening the rear hatch and pulling this if it's convenient to get it all the way back. But when you push it, it'll lock back into place. And then this just pushes back up to lock in place as well. Same with this seat. You just lift it and it locks back in place. This middle just pulls open and you lift it back when you're done. And then your front seat is an electronic system here, so this will make it go backwards. This will slide the whole seat forward, and this operates just the backrest here, so it'll lean backwards, and then this makes it lean forward. And go look at the passenger side as well. This one, you pull this and it makes this back come forward, and to make it go backwards while this is lifted, you can just push. I just push with my shoulder because I got one hand, but when you lift this, you can push this back to where you like it to sit. And then to slide the whole seat, you can lift this bar and it'll slide back and forward, and when you've got it in the spot you want it, just release this and this locks it back into place. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.